are pleased to show you the 2019 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, heated seats, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, security system, rear window defroster, power windows, heated front seats, trip computer, electronic stability control, panic alarm, brake assist, remote keyless entry, overhead console, tachometer. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.